Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, March 17th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Jennifer likes to read books at the... Correct. And number 2, what do you mean? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is in the library. Jennifer is in the library. Library. It is a big place with many books that you can borrow. Now we can make a flashcard for library. We usually say the library because there is only one. She is at the library is also correct. Please make a flashcard like this. Write library up here in the top left corner. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1 reg. This means noun level 1, regular verbs. And over here the number 90 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. I lie bre re library. What about you? Did you go to a library before? What did you do? Let me know in the comments. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Water means agua in Spanish. Water means agua in Spanish. Means. In English, this is water, but in Spanish, they say agua. Now we can make a flashcard for mean. Mean is an irregular verb, like go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. This one is mean, meant, meant. Please write that on your card. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, to mean something. And the 2 past tenses, meant, meant. Down here in the bottom left corner, IV1. This means irregular verb, level 1. This word is also A2, but don't worry about that now. Down here, the number 20 out of 40. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. E, mean, meant, meant. Game over. We learned library and to mean something. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, the dump. This is where we take all of the garbage. Number 2, Bob works on a ship. He is a sailor. Very good. And number 3, to hug somebody means to embrace them. My name is Vinny. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.